This is the heroic moment a German Shepherd called Tank saves a young member of his family from a neighbour's aggressive dog. Take a look at the hair-raising moment. The young boy was playing in his front garden when the neighbour's dog got loose and headed directly for the boy. Tank's instincts kicked in instantly as he then leapt into action, pushing the boy out of the way and standing over him for protection. Now that is a good boy. This is just another reason why we love dogs so much. Search Daily Mail videos on Facebook for more clips like this.